A garden room can transform a garden and extend its usability for all the family. This executive garden rooms project is a fine example of this transformation. Executive's clients had the vision to replace an old garage and log store with a highly insulated garden room that all the family could use. Once the garage was dismantled and the ground cleared, it revealed space for a 7.4 meters by 4.2 meters garden room. The footprint was divided to create one large room that all the family could enjoy, plus a shower room and an airing cupboard. Natural light bounces around the main room, thanks to a large expanse of glazing on the front elevation and the large electronic roof window. Adding top light with a roof window adds another dimension to a garden room and is really worth considering for your own project. Users of the shower room are in for a great shower, with no loss of pressure should someone turn on a tap in the main house. This is because the garden room was fitted with its own 125-liter pressurized cylinder. Externally, two low-maintenance finishes have been chosen. The rear and side elevations have been clad in white cedral boards, as have the soffit and fascia of the front elevation. In contrast, the front wall has been finished with a crisp white render to tie in with the main house. Learn more about this project on the Garden Room Guide.